Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited for today. So I am gonna do something different. I said I wanted to do it on my last video, but I didn't do it. So I'm gonna do it on this video. And that is going to just be starting off my videos with some encouraging words, some affirmations, different things like that you can say to yourself, or you can listen to me say them to you. So the first one that I'm gonna go ahead and do is just gonna be work on being in love with the person in the mirror who has been through so much, but is still standing. Amen. Amen. All right. And I'm actually looking at my mirror and I'm saying that to myself, but I'm also saying it to you. All right. So make sure you love yourself. All right. And that's just what that means. And that's just on that. And that's just on period. Pooh. Okay. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do a quick makeup look. You guys might not hear me talk as much because I want to, like run through this makeup look. Usually in the fall time, it's not really my best time to do my makeup because my skin always dries out. I don't know why. I never know why. But as you can see, I already have like a little texture skin right here, always on my cheek. It's in the same place all the time. And it comes the same time every year. So I don't know what to really do about that. I just oil my face up naturally with the vitamin E or whatever. I'll use like some type of oil. That's okay, girl, because we finna go ahead and get into this beat, all right? So let's get started. So first off, I'm going in with my Milk, and this is the Hydrating Grip Primer. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And y'all already know I went in with vitamin E. When I wash my face in the morning, I always use vitamin E. So today, y'all, we are gonna be working with some NARS foundation. And I know before I was like, I'm not really feeling the NARS like that. I wasn't feeling this one because I just felt like it wasn't giving me what needed to be given. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try it again and see what's going on with it. And we're gonna see the results together. Okay, so I'm going in with the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and this is in the color Tahoe. I'm gonna go in with a few pumps to the back of my hand, and I'm gonna apply this with a regular brush today. And I know a little goes a long way with this NARS foundation and stuff, but we're just testing it out. We're just testing the waters right now. If y'all interested, I got this headpiece from TJ Maxx. I finally found it, y'all. I'm so happy. All right, I'm beyond happy. Make sure y'all get in there when it's time to, blend. You want to make sure everything is blended really, really well. And that's what I'm doing right now, making sure everything is blended. I just want to go ahead and hydrate my face a little bit. I'm going to go in with my NYX, and this is the setting spray. I'm just going to let that chill out for a second. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a little more foundation. And I put it on the back of my hand so you can see. And this time I am going to use my Beauty Blender. Okay, this is very much looking very soft and settled right now. So I will be using my Anastasia concealer, and this is in the color 14. And this is the Magic Touch concealer. And really with this, a little does go a long way. Like I said, I do have some texture over here going on. Why? Why skin? Why? Make sure you blend that in good. And I don't use like any of that Milk of Magnesia or whatever on my face. Even though I know that's a good way to hide like blemishes, texture, skin, anything like that. But I don't really use that type of stuff because I know some people say, oh, it's bad for your skin, whatever the case may be. And if you're wondering my skin type, I have combination skin. I kind of just am a mixture of both. Some days I have great skin, majority of the time, great skin. And then sometimes I have those days like right now in the winter and my skin is very dry and yeah. So, and it's very rare. It doesn't last long anyways. It'll probably 2 or 3 days and it'll be gone. But it's just the fact that it happens and I don't like it. Okay, I'm just not over it, okay? At all. Me in the winter, we gonna have a problem because I'm trying to slay the day and you in my way. And it's not giving. It's giving me bad vibes. Like, why you coming for me? Why are you being weird to me? Winter? I'm just playing, y'all. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and set my under eye. And I'm not gonna set too much. I'm just gonna do a little bit just so it doesn't crease or anything like that. And I am using my Sasha Buttercup for this. And I'm gonna do a light strip of this setting powder under my eye, like. Because I'm gonna be putting on layers of concealer. Yes, y'all, layers, y'all heard it right. So I wanna make sure I do this properly. And I'm just putting this everywhere that I put my concealer. So I'm just gonna let that chill out for a minute, y'all, and I'm gonna work on my brows right now. And I've been loving this brow pencil that I got from Marc Jacobs. I got it from TJ Maxx. It was $9.99. Check out your local TJ Maxx. And you know what? The good thing about this is it came with an extra one. So once I run out of that one, I got another one and it was only $9.99. So that was really good. Y'all, I'm so sorry, but my camera did not get any of my eyeshadow. And I don't know why. I'm a little upset at the moment, but we're gonna go ahead and continue. I did try to fix my wing, but it didn't go through like I wanted it to. So I'm gonna try to fix that with some concealer. And yeah, I'm not gonna let this ruin my mood. So y'all, I never brushed off the setting powder that I first put on. So I'm gonna just buff that out a little bit. Show you which one it was that I used. It was this brownish color right here. So I think we're good on eyes for right now. I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs mascara, y'all. Like I said, y'all, I'm so sorry that this did not catch me doing my eyeshadow from the beginning. My camera just cut off and I'm not happy about it. But if you guys like this look, you know I don't mind redoing it. I know exactly all the colors that I used. So I only used 3 colors to create this look. So yeah, if you guys want me to redo it, I will redo it for you. Because I love you. I love you. All right. So yeah, just let me know. So I know you guys are like, girl, you took off your little purple scarf. Yes, I did. I'm about to do my hair. So just hold on a minute, okay? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get you a wrap. And I'm going to use that to wrap my ponytail. Make sure you wrap this pretty tight too. Like, we don't want it to come loose. And how I make sure it's tight is I just literally hold on to it when I go around. And it's really up to you. You can just continue to just go back up however you want to do it. Or you could tear it off if you want to. But I'm not in the business of wasting anything. So I'm going to just go back up with it and wrap it all the way around until it's done. All right, and it looks like that. And we're done with that part. So I am going to go in with this cheese spray. Like I said, I had my hair in a ponytail yesterday, so that's why it's still kind of like together. And I'm just taking the end of my rat tail comb and just brushing everything up so when I blow dry it, it'll stay in the position that I need it to stay in. Okay, I'm using my 18-inch Remy straight hair. And I know some people don't like to use glue on their hair. But for me, I'm not really worried. That's why I have this wrap paper on there, because literally it's not going to be stuck on my hair. So I've done it so many times. So I mean, the alternative to this is you could do the bobby pin or the rubber band method. But for me, I'm going to do the glue. And I only put the glue literally at the top right here. And you can see all of my tracks is no glue because I don't use glue on any part but the top and then maybe the end, because I want to reuse my hair too. And what you want to do is start at the bottom of this ponytail, like at the very bottom, and then you want to wrap it around. And as you practice it, you would get better with how you wrap it. So I'm just going to turn so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. And I'm not worried about that piece at the top because once I wrap that around, it'll be down. So, and at any point, if you want this to be more secure and you don't want to add any glue, you can always do the bobby pins like I said. Okay, so this little piece right here is where I will put the last drop of glue. Okay, so this next part is really optional. It's up to you how you want to do your ponytail. So for me, I would normally just grab a piece from the back and just wrap it around. You could do from the back, from the front. It's really up to you.